Hey guys, this is Anita. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be Wishful Thinking book tag. I was tagged by Larry from Larry Has Opinions. His channel and his Discord both are very entertaining. I'll link his tag video in the description below if you want to check him out. Let's jump right into questions. Question 1. Legacy. Is there an author you wish was still alive today to witness the impact of their work? That's Octavia E. Butler. I recently read her Earthseed series, Parable of the Sever and Parable of the Talents. In those books, she explored many themes which are relevant to us right now. While reading those books, all I thought was I wish she was alive right now. There are two reasons for the thought. I'm not sure how successful she was when she was alive, but she's definitely more popular these days. Many of her books are being adapted right now. So I wish she was alive to see how much we are appreciating her work. Also, the way world is going right now, it would have been terrific to hear her thoughts and it would have been a wonderful discussion. Question 2. Memory vibe. Which book or series do you wish you could forget either so you could experience it again for the first time or forget completely? When it comes to books I don't want to forget the experience. So I'll twist this question and mention the book I haven't yet read because by mistake I read a spoiler of that book, that is Mistborn The Final Empire. I want to wipe that memory and finally get to that book. And when it comes to the book I want to completely forget, that is Twilight. I mean, book 1 is alright, but the series started going down for me from book 2. I did not finish book 3. I did not enjoy it. Sorry if you are a fan of that book, but I want to completely forget that experience. Question 3. Destiny. Which character do you wish had a different fate? The answer would spoil the book, so I will not mention the character name, I'll just mention the book name. That is Jade City by Fonda Lee. If you have read the book, I'm sure you know which character I'm talking about. This character is well developed and has lot of potential, but I'm very furious with Fonda Lee with what happened to this character. It's been 2 months since I read this book and I'm still angry. I can't say more than that because of spoilers. If you haven't read Greenbone Saga yet, please read it. Characters are outstanding. The last book in the series is just released, so it's perfect time to read the series. Question 4. Namesake. If a character was going to be named after you, what kind of person you wish them to be or what sort of story would you want them to be in? Without a doubt, I want to be in the world of Harry Potter. I read too much of Harry Potter fan fiction and all I wanted to be was in Hogwarts. I used to list down all classes they go to and write down which classes I'll perform better. I know that was very mature. Let's just move on to the next question. Question 5. Collectibles. Which fictional object do you wish you could own? I'm generally fascinated with magical powers, but not objects. I mean, I do like them, but I never wanted them. I thought long about it and again decided to go back to Harry Potter world. It's not wand, I already have wand, which really works, not prop like clauses. I decided to go with broomstick. I understand this is not a new concept introduced by J.K. Rowling, but I really like the way she used it. All I wanted was to fly and play Quidditch. Question 6. Reset button. Which book or series do you wish was written by a different author? This is a tough question. I decided to go with Shades of Magic series by V.E. Schwab. I love the concept of the series. I love the idea of 4 Londons, and V. Schwab's prose is very good. I enjoyed book 1 a lot, but I'm disappointed with book 2. Though book 3 is better, I felt characters aren't developed properly. Just for that reason, I think Fonda Lee would have done better with characters. I just read Jade War by Fonda Lee. Characters in that book are phenomenal, so I really believe Fonda Lee would have done better with characters. Don't get me wrong, I'm still going to read V. Schwab books, but I feel characters aren't developed properly in this particular book. And it's time to thank people. I want to tag my friend Kate from the Almost Book Doctor. She has an amazing channel. She did these videos recommending books based on songs you like. Those are really fun to watch. I also want to tag Stacy. Her channel is new. She has only 2 videos out. Her kids appear in her videos, so it will be fun to watch her doing this tag. And I also want to tag Leslie from the Nerdy Narrative. She has wonderful channel. I love watching her content. I'll link all these channels in the description below. Please check them out. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.